Welcome to Anu TV Education. Today's topic is gents. So, what are gents? So, here present participles are often used in the place of nouns. So, a present participle used in the place of noun is usually referred to as a gent. So, whenever the sentence is in present participle form, that has called as noun, or it has been referred as gents. So in the following statements, the gents are underlined. Here example, skating is good for exercise. So here skating is acting as a noun. So here these nouns are also referred as gents. So another example, they like jogging. So here jogging is nothing but here it comes under object. So here you see in the first sentence skating is the subject of the verb is. So here noun, here it is acting as a noun. After that he has written a verb is there. So it is a verb. So when in the second sentences they like jogging. So here in the second sentences jogging is the object. So here it is a object that of the verb like. So here before the verb is there. So here when noun is there, after that noun verb is used. So when it is act as a object. So before verb is there. So here like is the verb. They like verb. So here they is a noun, like is there. Here jogging is a act as a object. So here a gents can form the function of a noun and a verb at the same time. So here example, riding a bicycle is good exercise. So another example, they are playing hockey. So here riding and playing, how the sentence has been changed you see here. In the first statement, the gent riding functions as a noun. So here it acts as a noun since it refers the subject of the verb is. So here riding bicycle is, here is the verb. So and also functions a verb since it takes the object bicycle. So here riding is a noun, here is a verb, and a bicycle it acts as a object. In the second statement, the gents playing. So here they are playing hockey. So here played act as an gents, functions as noun since it is the object of the verb like, and also functions as a verb since it takes the object hockey. So here in the second, in their role as nouns, gents are sometimes regarded as uncountable noun. So like an uncountable nouns, gents refers with a subject of a verb, takes a singular verb. Also like an uncountable noun, a gents can be preceded by the when referred to a particular thing or mentioned. So here some example. The skating was excellent. So here skating. So here refers to a particular place. So skating was excellent. He went hunting. The hunting was good. So here in the first example, the skidding would refer to a skidding done at a particular space. So here in the second example, the hunting. So here the hunting refers to the hunting mentioned in the previous statement. So here it says about the particular thing or mentioned. So that comes under gents. Thank you.